Hey my loves! Today we're diving into one of my favorite topics, lipstick. The right shade can totally transform your look and boost your confidence. With so many types, matte, satin, gloss, liquid, it's easy to get overwhelmed. But don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you. By the end, you'll know exactly which lipstick is your perfect match. So get comfy, and let's explore the world of lipstick together. First up, the undisputed queen of lip looks, matte lipstick. A true icon in the world of cosmetics. It's a staple in every makeup lover's collection, offering a sophisticated and timeless appeal. Matte gives you bold, velvety color, a statement that speaks volumes without saying a word. It's all about making an impact with a single swipe, and serious staying power. It's designed to last through thick and thin, ensuring your lip look remains flawless from morning coffee to evening cocktails. It's perfect for long days at the office or big events that stretch into the night. No constant touch-ups needed, giving you one less thing to worry about so you can focus on conquering your day or owning the night. Matte is for anyone who loves a sharp, defined look, a look that exudes confidence and precision, and wants their lips to make a statement. It's about expressing yourself boldly and unapologetically, letting your lips do the talking. But it can be drying, so it's important to take care of your lips. So always exfoliate to remove any dead skin and use a hydrating balm first to create a smooth canvas. If you want drama and confidence in a tube, if you're looking for that instant boost of self-assurance, matte is your go-to. It's the secret weapon in your makeup bag, ready to transform your look with a single application. It's a classic for a reason, timeless, elegant, and always in style. Wear a bold matte red and watch heads turn as you command attention, and you'll feel unstoppable. It's the ultimate power move, a statement of confidence and self-assuredness that radiates from within. Next, let's talk satin lipstick, the perfect balance between matte and gloss. Satin finishes are creamy, comfortable, and give your lips a healthy, subtle sheen. They're super versatile, great for work, brunch, or date night. Satin lipsticks are hydrating and easy to apply, making them ideal for everyday wear. The only downside? You'll need to reapply after eating or drinking. If you're new to lipstick, start with satin. It flatters everyone. It's a must-have in every makeup bag. Now let's get shiny. We're diving headfirst into the world of lip gloss, where shine reigns supreme. Get ready to transform your pout with this essential beauty staple. Gloss is all about juicy, luscious lips that demand attention. It's the secret weapon for achieving that coveted, irresistible look. Plump lips and major shine are the ultimate goals. Think of it as instant volume and a reflective surface that catches the light with every move you make. Today's glosses are comfortable, a far cry from the sticky formulas of the past. They're non-sticky, glide on effortlessly, and are often packed with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to keep your lips soft and supple. Gloss makes your lips look fuller, creating the illusion of added volume without any invasive procedures. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your natural lip shape, and adds instant freshness to your face, brightening your complexion and giving you a youthful, radiant glow. It's like a mini makeover in a tube. Swipe it on solo for a natural look, perfect for those days when you want a subtle touch of glamour. It enhances your natural lip color and adds a healthy sheen. Or layer over lipstick for extra dimension, transforming your favorite matte shades into multi-dimensional masterpieces. It adds depth, texture, and a touch of modern flair. It's perfect for a fun night out, adding a touch of playful sophistication to your evening ensemble. Or a dewy daytime vibe, complementing your fresh-faced look with a touch of effortless chic. Just remember, gloss needs reapplying. It's the nature of the beast, but that shine is worth it. The constant touch-ups are a small price to pay for the dazzling effect. If you love playful glamour and want to express your confidence with a touch of shine, gloss is definitely for you. Embrace the gloss and let your lips do the talking. Liquid lipstick is the powerhouse of the lip color world. It's a true game changer, offering a unique combination of features that sets it apart from traditional lipsticks and glosses. We're talking intense color payoff that truly pops, a level of precise application you can only dream of with a bullet lipstick, and serious longevity that will take you from morning coffee to evening cocktails without a single touch-up. The magic lies in its transformation. It goes on wet, providing a smooth and even application, then dries down to a velvety matte finish, and once it's set, it won't budge all day. Kiss-proof, coffee-proof, life-proof. That makes it perfect for special occasions like weddings or galas, or simply when you need your lip color to last through anything. A long day at work, a romantic dinner, or a night out dancing. The pigment is bold and unapologetic, delivering a high-impact color that instantly elevates your look. But a word of caution, the formula can be drying due to its long-lasting nature. So prep your lips well with a hydrating lip balm before application. The key to a perfect pout is in the application. Use the applicator tip to carefully line your lips, defining their shape and creating a crisp edge. Then, fill in the rest of your lips with the applicator, ensuring an even and complete coverage for a flawless finish. Liquid lipstick is undoubtedly for those who want a statement look that commands attention and lasts all day. Once it sets, you're good for hours, ready to conquer the world with your perfectly painted lips. Finally, sheer lipstick, the ultimate low-maintenance natural look. It gives a hint of color and tons of hydration like a tinted balm. Sheer formulas are foolproof to apply, no mirror needed, perfect for busy days, minimal makeup, or anyone who loves comfort. Try a sheer version of a bold color for a softer, more wearable look. Sheer lipstick is easy, breezy, and belongs in everyone's collection. And that's it! We've covered the 5 main lipstick types. There's a perfect lipstick for every mood and occasion, so experiment and have fun. Try a new finish and you might find your lipstick soulmate. Let me know your favorite type in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.